Good evening to all. This is Jayashree Bagmare welcomes you in the BSG News, and here are the top headlines of this week. The 74th Annual General Meeting of the Bharat Scouts and Guides was held on 30th November 2024. Chief Minister of Mizoram inaugurated the 8th Northeast Mini Jamboree. Chief National Commissioner visited Project CLAP and Search Smart Bases at Mini Jamboree. Revision of Youth Program Meet for Pragati Path was conducted at NHQ. ROT and Pre-LT started at Doddaballapur, Karnataka. States participated in Sea Vigil Exercise 2024. Constitution Days was celebrated by BSG all over India. Members of Delhi State participated in Padyatra of My Bharat organized by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Karnataka State hosted 8 Scout Guide, Rover and Ranger Camp at Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL). Odisha State conducted State Level Cup Bulbul Utsav 2024. Rovers of SC Railway organized at Cross Country Cycle Hike. Now, news in brief. The 74th Annual General Meeting of National Council of the Bharat Scouts and Guides was conducted on 30th November 2024 at 11 am at the National Headquarters, New Delhi. The 8th Northeast Mini Jamboree of the Bharat Scouts and Guides was inaugurated by the Chief Minister Pulaldu Homa, who is also the President of Mizoram Bharat Scouts and Guides, at the Bharat Scouts and Guides Mizoram State Training Center, Dandril, Mizoram on 23rd November 2024. In his speech, the Chief Minister thanked participants of the Mini Jamboree, emphasizing unity, mutual understanding and the strengthening of bonds despite cultural and language differences. Dr. K.K. Khandelwal, IAS, retired Chief National Commissioner, expressed his gratitude to the Chief Minister for his support. He acknowledged the dedicated efforts of Mizoram Bharat Scouts and Guides in advancing the movement. Dr. K.K. Khandelwal, IAS, retired Chief National Commissioner, Sri Amar V. Chhetri, Executive Director, Sri Anilendra Sharma, Assistant Director, along with the other officials, visited the CLAP and Search Smart Bases, interacted with the participants of 8th Northeast Mini Jamboree. The Bharat Scouts and Guides has been working on revising the youth program, which is part of the Pragati Path, over the past 2 months under a task force appointed by the Honorable Chief National Commissioner. To finalize the National Youth Program, a physical meeting was held at the National Headquarters in New Delhi from 25th to 27th November 2024. The meeting was led by Sri Madhusudan Aula, Additional International Commissioner Scouts, with the team leads of each section in attendance. Sri Amar V. Chhetri, Executive Director, served as the leader of the gathering. On World Child Day, UNICEF's annual report, The State of the World's Children 2024, was unveiled by children from various schools, colleges and institutions at the UNICEF Madhya Pradesh headquarters. Scouts and Guides from the Bharat Scouts and Guides Bhopal also participated in the event. 2 pre-LT courses of guide wing were conducted at the Doddaballapur Training Center, Karnataka from 25th to 29th November 2024. A total of 64 participants got training in the courses led by Mrs. Usha Shenoy, LT Guide from Kerala, and Miss Arunmala, LT Guide from Karnataka. The courses are being conducted under the supervision of the National Training Center. The reorientation course for trainers guide wing was conducted from 27th November to 1st December 2024 at Doddaballapur, Karnataka under the leadership of Srimati Kumud Mehra, AD Training and in charge of DDGLT. The course was inaugurated by Sri M.K. Khali, the Additional Chief National Commissioner, inaugurated the course. 23 participants from Karnataka and Tamil Nadu participated in the camp. 2 adventure camps have started at NEI Pachmadi under the leadership of Mrs. Bilkis Sheikh, in charge of the adventure program. The Special National Adventure Program from 26 to 28 November 2024 and the 508 National Adventure Program from 27 November to 3rd December 2024. 383 participants are taking part from First State Senior Secondary School, Chhindwara, Madhya Pradesh and Haryana School Shiksha Pariyojana Parishad. The 76th National Adventure Program was conducted at the National Adventure Institute, Snowview, Kurseong, Darjeeling. From 25th to 29th November 2024, led by Sri Vivek Kumar Das, Junior Instructor. 84 participants from Chhattisgarh state took part in this event. The National Youth Adventure Program was conducted at National Youth Complex, Gatpuri, Haryana from 25th to 29th November 2024 under the leadership of Sri Siddharth Mohanty, Project Officer, with 136 participants from 4 states. Another special National Youth Adventure Program was conducted at Jaisalmer, Rajasthan under the leadership of Sri Yashpal Huda, Youth Coordinator. 315 participants of Haryana Samagara Shiksha Department took part. Members enjoyed camel ride, jeep ride, desert trekking during the camp and visited historical places. Now, news from the states. Andaman and Nicobar. The Indian Navy invited the Bharat Scouts and Guides Andaman and Nicobar Islands to witness the programs under Exercise Sea Vigil 2024. Altogether, 45 Scouts and Guides of Government Senior Secondary School Mohanpura, Rabindra Bangla Vidyalaya and Government Secondary School Jangli Ghat with unit leaders visited Naval Dockyard on 23rd November 2024. The Exercise Sea Vigil 2024 was flagged off by the State Chief Commissioner and the Director of Education, Sri Vikram Singh, DANICS from GSS Jangli Ghat. Constitutional Day celebrated by the Scouts and Guides of KGBB Gangavaram, Chittoor district of Andhra Pradesh state. On the occasion of the Foundation Day, a sports program was organized on 22nd November 2024 by Vaishali district of Bihar state Bharat Scouts and Guides to boost the confidence of the girl students in Girls Senior Secondary School, Hajipur. The program aimed to raise awareness among new students about joining scouting and guiding. Competitions were organized under the leadership of the school's principal Upendra Kumar. 17 November 2024, guides, rangers, leaders of Indira Gandhi Open Group of Central Railway Bhusawal Division celebrated Diamond Jubilee year with conduct of various activities with a series of community-focused activities. Members participated in a rally. The rally was flagged off by Sri Vasant Sharma, Assistant District Commissioner Scout and District Organizer Commissioner Guide, Srimati Farzana Sayed. About 461 Scouts, Guides, Rovers, Rangers and officials of Delhi State Bharat Scouts and Guides participated in Padayatra organized by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, as part of the campaign Hamara Samvidhan Hamara Swabhiman at Major Dhyanchand Stadium, New Delhi on 25th November 2024. Eastern Railway. On 22nd November 2024, a joint mock drill was conducted at the Daulatpur Siding Yard in Jamalpur, organized by Eastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides, Jamalpur, and the Malda Division in collaboration with the National Disaster Response Force (NDRF). The exercise aimed to assess the preparedness and coordination of agencies responding to train accidents. It simulated a train derailment involving fire and rescue services, Railway Police Force, engineering departments and Bharat Scouts and Guides members along with medical teams and the NDRF. Goa. On 24 November 2024, the Basilite Open Unit of Goa State BSG conducted a cleanliness drive at their headquarters, Majorda. As part of the Pan-India Coastal Defence Exercise Sea Vigil 2024, 266 members of Goa State BSG participated in the program on 20th and 21st November 2024 with the able guidance of LTCDR Prakhar Gaur, Staff Officer, Coastal Security. The program was coordinated by Mr. Clinton Korea and Ms. Padma Sidanevar under the guidance of Mr. James Fernandez, State Secretary. Gujarat. The Scouts and Guides of Karnavati International School of Gujarat State Bharat Scouts and Guides celebrated Constitution Day. On this occasion, they took a solemn pledge to honor and uphold the values enshrined in the Indian Constitution. Haryana. On the occasion of Diamond Jubilee of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, a scout of DAV School of Jind, Haryana State Bharat Scouts and Guides presented a photo to Sri Nayab Singh Saini, Honorable Chief Minister Haryana. Basic courses for Scout Masters and Guide Captains were conducted at the Sirsa School, Sirsa, Haryana from 23rd to 27th November 2024 under the guidelines of Sri E.L.S. Verma, SOC Scout and MS Roma Sapra, SOC Guide, in which 15 participants took part. Himachal Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a camp on WASM and WAGS information at the State Training Center, Revalsar, District Mandi from 17th to 21st November 2024. A total of 162 members including 70 scouts, 72 guides, 20 scout masters and guide captains participated. The camp provided information on WASM, WAGS and special initiatives such as Earth Tribe, MOP, Health Allies, Life Skills Leadership, Search Smart, Free Being Me and Listen to Girls along with quiz competition. Jammu and Kashmir. On 9th November 2024, the Resai district of Jammu and Kashmir State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a traffic rules awareness drive in Katra in collaboration with the Jammu and Kashmir Police. The event featured a rally where participants raised awareness about traffic rules, emphasizing helmet and seatbelt use, avoiding overtaking in congested areas and discouraging rash driving. During the event, District Secretary Sheikh Anayatullah honored DYSP Surinder Singh Boloria and SHO Kachaman Gorkha of Katra Police Station with scarves in recognition of their support and participation. Karnataka. The Air Scout Guide, Rover and Ranger Leader course was hosted by the Karnataka State Association at Hindustan Aeronautics Limited HAL from 19 to 25th November under the leadership of Sri M.V. Janardhan, Leader Trainer Scout, Sri P.G.R. Sindhya, State Chief Commissioner of Karnataka and S.S. Ray, DY Director of Scouts Leader Training were present at the valedictory function. State level Scout Guide Badge Work Camp was organized from 12th to 14th November 2024 at Kodaji Besappa State Training and Camping Center, Kodaji, Devnagiri District. 402 participated in the program. Sri P.G.R. Sindhya, State Chief Commissioner, visited the camp and wished the children on Children's Day. KBS. The Scouts and Guides of PM Sri Kendriya Vidyalaya number 3 AF 2nd Jamnagar Adra of Purulia Shadra of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangatana State Bharat Scouts and Guides observed the National Constitution Day 2024 on 26 November 2024 in their school. The event commenced with the collective recitation of preamble of the Indian Constitution. Northeastern Railway. On 24th November 2024, members of the Varanasi District Association of Northeastern Railway launched the Shastri Group A Scout Scarf and T-shirt. The launch ceremony led by Sri Sandeep Kumar Sharma unveiled the newly designed scarf and T-shirt at the District Scout Den Auditorium in Varanasi. Odisha. Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted the state level Kabulbur Utsav 2024 from 18 to 22nd November 2024 at the state headquarters Bhubaneswar. The event was inaugurated by Sri Krishna Chandra Nayak, Additional Director, Elementary Education. The event was inaugurated by Sri Krishna Chandra Nayak, Additional Director, Elementary Education, Odisha, in the presence of Dr. Kali Prasad Mishra, National Vice President and State Chief Commissioner. Participants enjoyed the physical display competition and took part in model making and handicraft competitions. The group dance competition was graced by Sri Anantanarayana Jaina, Honorable MLA BBSR and Vice President Sri Babu Singh MLA Egmara Bhubaneswar was the chief guest at the valedictory function. Rajasthan. Search Smart 2.0 workshop was organized on 24th November 2024 for the participants of Rajya Puraskar Scout and Rover Testing Camp. Organized at District Training Center, Tausar, Nagaur, Rajasthan from 21st to 24th November 2024. 246 scouts, 27 rovers and 21 staff were present in this workshop. Southeastern Railway. The Kharagpur District Association of the South Eastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a 140-kilometer cross-country cycle hike from Kharagpur to Sri Nanak Sar Chandrakona Sahib in Chandrakona from 23rd to 24th November 2024. Around 20 rovers participated in this event. The hike was flagged off by Sri P. Jagdishwar Rao, DOC Scout of Kharagpur, and Sri Kripal Singh, DTC Scout of Kharagpur. Rovers also rendered commendable service at the Gurudwara. GHSS Group, Adra District Association of South Eastern Railway organized one-day outing and nature study program for bulbuls at Purulia on 24th November 2024. Southern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides Central District Chennai Division organized a specialized proficiency badge course on disaster management and disaster preparedness on 24th November 2024. The training was conducted by the National Disaster Response Force NDRF 4th Battalion along with his team led the session. The program was attended by Sri N. Jaya Venkatesan, District Secretary and STM Planning and PCOM Secretary, and Sri Parimala Kumar, Vice President and CME Material, who were present throughout the event. 129 members took part in the training. Tamil Nadu Members of Maharishi District of Tamil Nadu State BSG celebrated Children's Day and the 15th anniversary of Maharishi District on the Zoom platform on 26 November 2024. The event featured a competition from bunnies on the topic of rhymes. Srimati Kumud Mehra, Assistant Director of Training, was the chief guest. Sri C. Ramalingam, District Chief Commissioner of Maharishi District, extended his blessings to the participants. Uttar Pradesh. The second adventure camp of Uttar Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides was conducted at the State Training and Adventure Center, Shitla Khet, Almora from 23rd to 27th November 2024 under the direction of Dr. Prabhat Kumar, IAS retired, State Chief Commissioner of Uttar Pradesh Bharat Scouts and Guides. 38 participants attended the camp. Uttarakhand. During the Kedarnath Assembly by-election 2024 held in Rudraprayag district of Uttarakhand on 20 November 2024, the Rovers and Rangers unit of Government Postgraduate College Agastya Muni, Rudraprayag of Uttarakhand State Bharat Scouts and Guides provided service at the polling booths. Now, new circulars issued. Circular number 226. Invitation of nomination for Messengers of Peace Star Award 2024. Circular number 227. Invitation to participate in the BIMSTEC Youth-led Action on Climate Change SEWOCON. Circular number 228. Postponement of regional level gender sensitization workshop for Rovers, Rangers and Unit Leaders Eastern Region. Circular number 229. SSCs meet in connection with Diamond Jubilee Jamboree of the Bharat Scouts and Guides on 15th and 16th December 2024 at Trichy, Tamil Nadu State. For more news, please visit the Bharat Scouts and Guides website bsgindia.org. Stay tuned with us through the YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and other social media sites of the Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters.